how to use the Eenee hybrid nappy pant with our commercially compostable uPads. These can also be used with our super absorbent reusable cloth inserts, but for this one we're going to open up the hybrid nappy pant. Then we're going to open up our uPad, just opening up the leg guards, and for this one we're going to sit it just inside like so. We're going to fold the back over, and we're actually going to use our little snap here just to hold that in place. That just pops through there. Make a little hole in the outside of the pad, and that'll just stop it from slipping, holding it nice and steady. So once you've got that opened nicely, you're just going to bring it under, lift baby's bottom up, slide it in. So you can actually pull the uPad up first if you want to, just to make sure the leg guards are out. Snug up your nappy pant so you've got a nice tight fit around the legs. Super stretchy, nice and soft, so you can adjust the Velcro, and then just check leg guards are out, nappy pants sitting nice and tight, nice and snug up between the legs, and you're ready. Also, really important, when you've finished or when they're soiled, they're dirty, taking them off as you would normally a dirty nappy. Get rid of the uPad, just unhook the back again. One thing just to think about, if you close the Velcros on the pant before washing them, that'll protect the pant and anything else in your wash.